Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use this pom-pom maker. I got it on Amazon. I'm sure that there are probably lots of different craft stores or sites you can buy it from, but I will link in the description below this one. It does come with 4 different sizes. I usually use the big one here. For most of my projects, this will produce a standard pom-pom size that you see usually on the top of hats. So anyway, at first, it's taken me a while to use this because I'll be honest, I couldn't figure it out. But now that I got to it, I really love it. It comes with these little snippy things. They're okay. I'll show you. We'll give it a try using them, but I would also recommend having scissors ready too, depending on the yarn that you're using. So you're going to look for these 2 little tabs and just pull these 2 open together. And then on the other side, you're going to pull the other 2 tabs the other way. So you're going to see that there are 4 little separate half moon or half circle shapes, but you keep them each one's together in 2s and wrap around it. It'll make sense soon. So let's go ahead and grab some yarn that we're going to wrap around. Okay, so you'll just hold on to the end of your yarn, just kind of secure it in place while you get wrapping, and then after you do a couple of little wraps here, it'll hold that in place and you can let go. So I'm wrapping it 100 times on each side. So you're just going to keep on going. You can wrap it as much as or as little as you like. However much you wrap each side is what's going to determine the size of your pom-pom. And also I would recommend making sure that you do keep track of exactly how many times that you wrap it, because you're going to want to make sure that you do it the exact same on both sides. So I'm going to show you what you're going to see today. I'm using the yarn I'm using is medium size 4 yarn, and I'm wrapping it 100 times on each side. So let's just go ahead and finish wrapping this side. And once I get to 100, you're just going to fasten it off. So I'll show you how I complete this one side. And then, of course, you can pause the video to do the other side. But I'm almost done on this one. And wrapping it 100 times on each side. So it does use a bit of yarn, but wrapping it 100 times on each side gives a decent size, a decent fullness to your pom-pom. So go ahead and just fasten that off when you get to 100 or whatever your count is that you want to do. Close that up and then go repeat the same thing on the other side and then come back. Okay, so I finished wrapping both sides now. I'm going to close that up. And you can see that you've got both of your sides wrapped, and you have this little, like the crease where that line in between where those 2 little half circles split, that's where we're going to cut it. Now for me personally, for this part, I don't really love using these little snips that came with the kit for this particular yarn. They don't work so good. So I would just recommend grabbing a pair of scissors and then just go ahead and snip following that line. The little crease down the center. You're just going to snip your yarn like this and repeat it on the other side too. Oh, I'm going to just turn it around because I don't want it to keep flipping open when I'm doing that. So hold it down and snip. Remember, it's not secured yet, your pom-pom, so you do not want these to open up yet. So hold it, make sure it stays closed. Once you've got both sides snipped, you're going to go ahead and grab a string of yarn that you're going to use to secure it in the middle. And I would recommend using a bit of a longer piece so it's also easier to fasten it to whatever project that you're working on. So grab your yarn, put it right into that crease there, and let it go right to the center and around to the other side here. And this is where you're just going to tie in a knot and pull it really tight to make sure it's right down to the center of your pom-pom. And I kind of double and even triple knot it just to make sure it's really secure. Okay, And now we can go ahead and open it up. So I'm just going to open up these little tabs first. And in the middle, it's like the white parts are being held together by a pin. So you're just going to go carefully because you don't want to break the plastic. Just carefully separate it. And there you go. Pops right off. See the little pins there? That's how it stays connected and comes apart. And there's your pom-pom. So you see what I mean about the fullness. It's a decent sized pom-pom. This one I used more for like I used it on a recent pattern for the little decorative bunny basket tail. But I would probably recommend wrapping it even a little bit more if you're doing it for a hat. You just want a fuller pom-pom. But anyway, it goes back together pretty easily. And so I like this. I do like this product for making pom-poms. Just thought I would share it with you. And I hope that you enjoyed it. Of course, go ahead and take a look at my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and have a look at the pattern tutorials that I have currently available, and make sure you subscribe so you get notifications when I add more. Take care.